Hello, this is a live recording of the live trading room. We're currently in a short position on the Russell eMini futures. Just a few minutes ago, we closed out a long position on the S&P eMini here. We went long at 1203.75, and quickly it secured the first target at 2 points, and then the second target at 2.5 points at I guess it's 12:0. Where were we at? 12:06 and a quarter. You can see right here the little indication on the chart. But currently, the purpose of this video was to show the live actual trade that we're still in. Again, we're short the Russell eMini futures on a 5-minute chart. This is the NUTUS 2.0 trading system called live from within the trading room. As you can see, the charts are streaming live. This is exactly what you see when you log into the trading room. The charts are dynamic. They automatically update us the instant a signal is issued. In this instance, you can see that the software instantly displayed that we were to go short at 721, and it plots our profit target down here at 719.1. And in this case, the profit target, you can see on each chart, has a trade management area down below, and each morning you can log in to see if there's any changes to the trade management. And on this particular day, the profit target was 1.9 points, and we're using a protective stop of 2.6 points. And of course, the software automatically, intuitively plots this information for us. You can barely see it here on the screen. Let's see if I can change the resolution just a little bit for you. It should. There we go. You can see that the protective stop is sitting up there at 723.6. Down below here is just a tool that we use just to give us an idea of where the system has been over the most recent 2-month rolling period. It's the equity curve. It's not perfect, but it gives us a gauge of where the system has been. So currently you can see that over the past 2 months, the system on a rolling calendar basis is up about 37 points. And up here on the top, the system also updates in real time. Over the most recent 2-month rolling period, the system has been accurate 69% of the time. And then it also plots in real time the results of the most recent trade. So because this trade is still open, it's still plotting the most recent close trade, which would have been yesterday, which was a win of $380. So I won't go into much on the S&P since it basically covers the same information. Again, that trade is already closed for a winner. You can see it's already plotted the $225 profit on that particular trade. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will resume it as we get closer to either the protective stop up here at 23.6 or the profit target at 719.10. Stay tuned. Okay, I've resumed the video. It's not over till it's over, right? This trade has taken a lot longer than our average trade. I think we've been in the trade about 45 minutes now. Again, we're short from 719.10. I'm sorry, 721, with the profit target at 719.1. By the way, today is April 21st. On the S&P, today's profitable trade marked the 5th win in a row, so that's always nice to have little winning streaks. And should the 719.10 profit target here on the Russell trigger, this will mark our 3rd win in a row for the Russell market. Watching the NASDAQ futures on a different screen closely, as the correlation with the Russell is quite high, it's telling me that we're going to get more of a follow-through on the downside here. So we have a very high probability of securing the profit target here momentarily. As you can see, we did have to sit through a little bit of heat, but that's you know, that goes with trading. All of the trades are not unidirectional. Speaking of that, you know, we're trading during one of the most bullish periods in a generation, if not longer. And as you can see today, we're shorting the market, and you know, up until this point, we're doing quite well. And on the S&P, we went long that market. So, you know, we can be successful in both directions on the same day. Now, I'm just going to watch this for a few seconds longer. I want to keep the length of this video small. Of course, the market, you just never know what it's going to throw at you. So if we get a little bit closer, I think we came within a couple of ticks of that target, I'll resume the video. Still watching the NASDAQ futures tick lower here, but the Russell, it's holding its own. Within 3 ticks. That's the great thing about this video. It's actually showing you a worst case scenario. We've been in the trade about 55 minutes now. This is very unusual. Yesterday we were in and out in about 17 minutes. As you can see today on the S&P, we were in and out in less than 10 minutes. And that's about the average, less than 30 minutes, 25 minutes. So today is not normal, but it goes to show you, you know, here we are hitting the target at 7:19:10, just filled, trade station, about 55 minutes. Oh, and by the way, the trade station, the ELD files, that's the acronym for the Easy Language Documents, the files that dictate the buying and selling of the strategy, the NUTUS 2.0 strategy, that is available for lease. You can actually plug these ELD files into your TradeStation software, and the files then will do all of the trading for you, entries to exits. In this example, personally, I trade the Russell. I do not personally trade the S&P. That's just my preference. I know there's guys out there that won't trade the Russell and they only trade the S&P. That's what makes a market, right? But with my personal trading, I trade the Russell market, and you know, I've sat here recording this video, answering questions that members have on a daily basis, discussing the markets, and I've not had to press any buttons, click any buttons, enter any prices. The software did all of the trading for me in the background. You know, I was filled on you know, the entry and the exit. It was all done automatically, 100% automation. So as you can see, though, there's not much of a change here, although it did for an instant update the profit and loss for the rolling 2-month period at 380. So we are on a small little winning streak here on the Russell, 3 wins in a row, and again on the S&P, 5 wins in a row. It's not perfect, but a great little system. Again, the great thing about this system, not only is it profitable and consistent, but it only requires a very short period of your time. Today being the abnormal conditions, making for a great movie, great video, showing you some adverse conditions, some unusual periods, and just goes to show you, worst case scenario, you have to sit through a trade for an hour. But that's going to be very, very unusual. Most of the time you'll be in and out in 30 minutes. The guys trading the S&P, they're probably already at their favorite fishing hole, or already on the, you know, on the greens, out enjoying their day. So I'll go ahead and end this video now. If you have any questions, just send me an email at info@oexstreet.com. Until the next video, have a great day and take care.